Okay, let's deal with algebraic addition. Let's continue our algebraic addition, but this time different variables that we want to deal with, not the same variables. Still algebraic addition. Different variables. Different variables. This time around, we want to deal with different variables. Different variables. In the previous class, I treated problems that had to do with the same variables like 4x plus 7x. And I said since they have the same letters attached to them or variables attached to them, you need to add them the way you used to add numbers, and in your final answer, ensure the letter is still attached to the answer. 4 plus 7 is 11, so our answer here will be 11x. 6y plus 10y, our answer will be 16y. It's as simple as this. Today we want to consider algebraic terms that have different variables. Different variables. For example, 4x plus 7y. 4x plus 7y. Look at this carefully. 4x plus 7y. The letters of these variables are x and y. This should tell you that they are not coming from the same family. Yes, they are not coming from the same family. There's no way you can combine them. There's no way you can call them the same surname. I cannot add this number and say my answer is 11x or 11y or 11xy. You can't combine with other people in their home. You won't be comfortable. Your mom and dad will also not be comfortable enough to allow you at your age to go to another neighbor's house not dressed properly. She will not be comfortable with that. Your mother will also not be comfortable to come back home and meet you alone at home with your neighbor's child, alone at home, playing. She will not be comfortable with that. It is because the two of you are not coming from the same parent. Something unusual might happen to one of you or the two of you, and that will result to a big problem among the two families. It is because the two of you are not from the same parent. So you cannot combine things that are not the same perfectly. You can't combine things that are not the same perfectly. So and that is why 4x plus 7y cannot be combined, because 4 has x and 7 has y. Even if they are numbers, they sound like numbers that we know, 4 and 7. But they have other surnames, they have other identity attached to them that make them to be different. So 4x plus 7y cannot be added to have one single answer, like we got in these numbers, 11x and 16y. You cannot add 4x and 7y. You can't take a kettle and yam to combine to get one thing. You can't do that. You can't take a fan and television to combine to get one single product. They are two different things. So 4x plus 7y, your answer will still be 4x plus 7y. That's your answer. It's as simple as that. 5y plus 9r. My answer is still 5y plus 9r. That is your answer. Once you're adding things that don't have the same variables attached to them, That is how your answer goes. 6x plus 7x. Look at those two types of x. One is small letter x, one is big X. My answer will still be 6x plus 7 letter x, capital letter X. That is my answer. They are not the same. 4y plus 3 capital letter Y. My answer is still 4y plus 3 capital letter Y, because the two y are not the same. Whenever you're adding numbers or algebraic terms that are not the same, the method holds and it is just that way. The method holds and it is just that way. So be careful to deal with the problems you have in your quiz box or your question box. Check it and get the answers there and ensure you have the correct thing. If you have questions in that box, please check and ensure you do them. But don't forget, whenever you're adding numbers or letters that are not the same, your answer should always go this way. Thank you.